and welcome back to my channel Bhadra's Cooking Journey. It is 5:45 in the morning. It's quite chilly and dark. You must be wondering what am I doing so early. So I am having my Kalari Paitha or traditional Kerala martial art class in the morning, which is online. So in this video I'm going to show you my day in Venmani, which is in Alleppey. What am I going to do in my grandparents' house, what all are there, and all those stuff. So here you can see my grandmother going around the garden plucking flowers for her morning puja.
തിരിഞ്ഞ് ഇടത്ത് വീത് വലത്ത് വീത് തിരിഞ്ഞ് വലത്ത് വീത് ഇടത്ത് വീത് തിരിഞ്ഞ് ഇടത്ത് വീത്.
Mornings are so fresh, energetic and peaceful, and here is the puja room in my grandparents' house. So as you can see, the morning puja has been done by my grandmother. Flowers have been offered by her which was plucked. So this is behind the house, and huge nutmeg plantation is done. As you can see, huge big nutmeg trees are here, and inside over there in that small gate, when we go inside, there's a small temple of God. So this is the nutmeg fruit, and inside you will see the nutmeg. So this is the original nutmeg. You get from the huge nutmeg plantation. There's a bill, there's water is gone. See, water is already gone and kept by my grandmother. It's so deep. So the rice is not made in gas, it is made in fire over here. Over here the rice is cooked on fire. Over here there's a really big jackfruit tree. You can already see one jackfruit. It still has to be big, and these are small jackfruit that is yet to be big. From here you can see so many banana trees, nutmeg trees, some big jackfruits are over there. I can't show you in the camera. Yeah, over there. See, really big, bigger than the ones over here. Then these nutmegs, guys, they split open, and the nutmegs are taken out from inside and are sold. The nutmegs are taken out and are dried, and then they are sold in the market. Then there's a big papaya tree over here. See, papayas. So these are also some types of fruit, and this fruit is used in pickles and nice curries. And this is the beautiful red flower of that fruit. This is the banana tree. This is the banana flower. These are small bananas. In few weeks, these small bananas will be big. See over here also. Then they are the original size. They're taken off and and kept for ripening. The whole banana flower is never wasted. When the tip of the banana flower, when these small bananas become big, this flower will become really small, and this is never wasted because we make nice sabjis with this. Even the stem is taken and made sabjis. And as you know, the banana leaf, we eat food in that. It's an eco-friendly plate. Then you have the curry leaf, hibiscus, some mogra. See? And as you can see, there's a big, garden of my grandmother. There are beautiful flowers. I water these plants in the evening. And there's a big mango tree. Some mangoes have fallen out. This is a small mango which has been fallen out of the tree. This is the house. Our house. This is the Mayflower. Smells really beautiful. So this is the drawing room. I know it is in a mess, morning mess, because me and my brother were playing around and having fun. And this is the kitchen, and you can see my grandmother over there. Beside our house, we have a wood mill. See? In the morning, we're just going for a stroll. This is a type of jackfruit. See? It's a really small one. We can just open it and eat it. It's really small. Okay? It's basically pulpy like the custard apple, like when you open it. Over here you can see a greenhouse also. See? Lots and lots of plants are inside. There are two greenhouses, one over here and one over there. This is a shop of my father's uncle, cement and paints and all. See, Pampur Agency, almond tree. Okay. Right in front of the shop, there's an almond tree. So here is fresh Javitri from the nutmeg plant. Okay. Sorry, nutmeg tree, because banana is a plant. Okay, see. And after breakfast, I am making chicken curry and cauliflower Manchurian. This is the back kitchen. The preparations for gobi Manchurian and fried rice are being done. Gobis are being fried. Potatoes have been cut for the special fried rice which is going to be made by my grandmother. So Manchurian is ready, chicken curry is ready, and now my grandmother is going to make a special type of fried rice with fried croutons and cauliflower and potatoes. And here is Ratnamma, who we lovingly call Ramba, is also part of my father's family, and over here she is making yummy chutney on traditional grinding stone. So I had lunch, which was fried rice, chicken and gobi Manchurian. and then I took a short nap, read a book, and now I'm going to show you a temple which is adjacent to my grandfather's house. It's a really small temple of a goddess. Not much people visit. We visit it every year. We come over here, and the puja is usually done by the priest of the nearby temple, and that also not every day, only on Tuesdays and Fridays. So we go by this short narrow path which is adjacent to the kitchen and the house. See, okay. So we enter it through this small gate. So it's a small temple with lots of trees, and see, the nutmeg plant is over here behind. So this is the temple. We can't show the Devi as it's not allowed. See, so this is behind my grandmother's house. So many trees are there. This is the big nutmeg tree. See, it's full of greenery. It is really peaceful over here, and it's so beautiful. And now I'm going to have tea and hot puffs, which is the local delicacy of Kerala. You get nice, hot, delicious puffs in every bakery. You get cream buns, puffs, lot of traditional snacks. Now after tea, we're going to do our usual watering the plants and playing with my brother. So here I am with my father at the back of the house which I showed you earlier. And over here you can see a ripe nutmeg which is split open. There are a lot of nutmeg and banana trees. And this is the wild jackfruit which I showed you in the morning earlier, and when you open it, see, it is nice and pulpy like the custard apple. See, and the wood of this wild jack tree is used to make the snake boats of Kerala. And over here you can see the yam plants which was cultivated yesterday. And over there you can see small pineapple which are yet to be ripe. They are very juicy and very yummy and tasty and very sweet. And over here you can see a small old pond which has small fishes inside it. See, the ripe nutmeg, when you open it looks like this beautiful red Javitri or nutmeg. See, It looks so beautiful. It looks like a ladybug. Even the flower of this nutmeg tree can be used for stomach infection and is made chutneys. The nutmegs fall from the tree when they are ripe. You can hear lots and lots of birds, as there are lots of birds here. And over here you can see pepper vines, which are basically climbers. You can see coconut tree saplings also, which have been planted recently. See, here are the nutmegs which I have found on the ground. And here are the bird's eye chilies, which are really hot and spicy. And here is my brother running around, with a stick and playing and having fun. And here is my grandmother busy in discussion with her client. The moon has risen and the day has come to an end. I will be having my dinner now, which is kalappam and chicken stew, which I've already showed you in the previous episode. And the recipe for kalappam will be coming soon, so do watch that. And thank you for watching my day. Until then, bye.